Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about the bedroom designs. Today videos is all about bedroom design ideas. Whether you are moving into a new apartment or just looking to spruce up your correct space, I have got you covered. In this video, I am going to share some of my favorite bedroom design tips and ideas that are sure to inspire you. So let's go started. Choose a color scheme. The first step is designing your bedroom is choosing a color scheme you want to select. Colors that make you feel calm and relaxation, since the bedroom in a place for rest and relaxations. Some popular color scheme include cool blushes, soft green, and natural grays. Once you have selected your color scheme, you can begin to incorporating it into your bedding, curtains, and decors. Maximize your space. If you have a small bedroom, it's important to make the most of your space. One way to do this is by selecting furniture that is multifunctional, such as a bed with built-in storage or a nightstand that doubles as a desk. You can also view vertical space by adding shelves or hanging storage solutions. Create a focal point. Everything room need a point, which is usually the main features of the rooms that draws your attentions. This could be a fireplace, a piece of artwork, or even a statement piece of furniture, and it to create a cohesive and balanced space. Add personal touches. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your personality and style. One way to add personal touches is by incorporating artwork to or photographs that special meaning to you. You can also add decor, pillows, throws, or rugs that showcase your furniture's colors and pattern. Layer lighting. Lighting is an important element in any bedroom design. In addition to overhead lighting, such as also incorporate task lighting, such as reading lamps or bedside tables lamps. You can also add ambience with candles or string lights. Do not forget the details. Finally, it's the little details that can really make a bedroom feel complete. Consider adding plants for a touch of greenery, or adding a decorative tray to organize your bedside essentials. You can also incorporate textures with cozy blanket or curtains with interesting patterns. And there you have it, my top bedroom design tips and ideas. I hope you found this video is helpful and inspiring. Let me know in the comment below which tips you was favorite.